Hello, my name is Perkins. I was an organizing intern at Defend Our Health this most recent summer of 21. I'm an environmental studies and psychology double major at Wesleyan University. I'm in my junior year. So this position as an environmental health organizing intern, this internship really perfectly combined my love of the environment with my desire to help people. I specifically was working on Defend Our Health's arsenic campaign, which was working to help Maine residents get their well water tested for arsenic and for other contaminants. So this took the form of me calling supporters and walking them through the details of the arsenic issue, as well as how frequently they should be getting their well water tested if they had a personal well, and then, if applicable, sending them a test kit either for free or at a reduced cost. Which then the results would be run through an outside lab, and I would call them back and talk them through the results and potential next steps if they needed to do anything to remedy the contaminants that were found in their water. I also did a lot of work reaching out to local organizations to get them to spread the word about our campaign or to jointly host a community meeting, which me and the other intern led. I successfully partnered with a local food bank to get a lot of signups from people who frequent that food bank so that they could receive well water test kits for free, which was a really rewarding partnership to have forged throughout my time there. Overall, I was just allowed to work with people connecting about the issue, whether that was via the phone, in community meetings that we hosted, or just in emails with different organizations, all of which allowed me to gain a lot of communication skills and just knowledge about different environmental health issues, some of which that specifically affect Maine residents, such as the arsenic issue as well as PFAS. But I also learned a lot about how to engage community members in these campaigns and how to effectively reach different groups of people to provide aid, such as free well water testing. Through the internship, I also learned a lot about myself and what I want out of a future career. I found that I really love the level of impact that a nonprofit can have on a community, and I really enjoy how rewarding it is to impact people's lives positively by direct one-on-one human connection that I got from working as an organizer. So whether that was talking to people on the phone about their past experiences with arsenic contamination, or getting people who had never tested their well before to get it tested for free, or even engaging with local organizations who are willing to help spread the word, I really found that this level of human-to-human connection was super inspiring to me, and I'm overall super grateful for the opportunity to work alongside such amazing and passionate individuals at Defend Our Health. It was really cool to see all the other campaigns that they're leading and that they're all a part of within the organization, and it was just such a fun and rewarding internship. I really felt like I made a difference throughout my time there, which is such a unique thing to be able to say.